Hey, it's Mr. Peace. I'm here at Terrace Elementary Middle School in Hazleton, Pennsylvania. My first visit to their school and to this district, which is the Hazleton Area School District. Just an amazing afternoon. I got to speak to grades 4, 5, and 6 and some of their parents that were able to join, students and staff today. But it was really an honor just to be able to talk to them from the heart. And I love that in their lobby near their main entrance of the building. They are obviously the home of the Hawks here, but we're talking about the heart of the Hawk, right? And this really does tie into today's message, which the sub-theme was look at the heart first, right? See someone else the same way that you see your best friend for their heart before anything else, right? And obviously the main focus was on bullying, but I wanted to really push and hammer home more the idea that our hearts that are as big as our fist, if we can let love, peace, compassion, kindness fully enter into here, we can turn that into this peace sign. One finger is ourself, the other is someone we're trying to lift up higher than ourselves, by how we choose to treat that person, hopefully with love. And I love that what they have is their first heart bullet point on their signage here. It says, I will always use kind words and actions. And that was a big premise today too, that in just 2 seconds, we can uplift or we can destroy. And to know that bullying is a repeated thing over and over again on purpose to get power over someone. But the things that aren't bullying, just those one-time actions, those one-time words, those 2 seconds can still leave the same mark on someone's heart, right? And so that's why our words and actions are so important. They have so much power behind them, right? And so the ones that we use, hopefully they're going to be positive in nature. And we also have to know too that even if we're hurting or have been through something or we'll go through some type of pain, we can always choose love no matter what. Right? It's not always easy. Sometimes we want to push that hurt onto someone else. A big reason why bullying happens, I believe, is that hurt people hurt people. But if we choose to reverse that, we can become the healed people that help to heal people, right? And I think they really understood that today. There was some feedback from some of the parents, some of the students, some of the staff as well, just saying that what I shared really touched their heart and that they are, going to make that promise in their heart to try to live, to not only see people for their heart before anything else, but also for this too, right? All of us with the lines on our hands have letter M. I traced one of mine here. Sometimes a faint line connects it, but we have at least one in each hand. And that M stands for miracle, like the front of my shirt, upside down, W for worthy. That we're all beautiful miracles, worthy of love to both give it and receive it, but we have to really believe this. Right? We have to buy into this, because a lot of students I speak to, they've never been told that, they've forgotten that, and we can be their light to their heart, and start to make them believe that they are going to do something, right, and make a difference in this world. So thank you so much for all that you've done for me here. Touched my heart. It was great to meet all of you. Hopefully I'll get to see you again in the future. Until then, though, and as always, have a great rest of the school year. And make sure to hit the subscribe button you see pop up on the screen. You can also check out this playlist below for some additional motivation. And feel free to visit my website by clicking on the peace sign symbol on your phone, tablet, wherever you're watching this video, to track my journey across this country as I continue to do America's heart one school at a time. Peace.